crowd? Good cake.
Did Peter have one?
Peter didn't come. He doesn't do weddings.
What does that even mean? He doesn't do weddings. Is he planning on attending his own wedding?
You want this ball?
Tell us about that, Cass.
You know, I don't know if the marriage thing is really in the cards for us.
Bring it here.
We've seen each other for almost 2 years. We should know if he's the one. I mean, at least potentially.
You flatten it.
You want to get married? Yes, I want to get married. Of course I want to get married.
Actually, I was watching something about this very thing on TV the other day, and I realized what your problem is.
Well, I didn't know that I had a problem.
Exactly. First step, admitting you have a problem.
Right, but I have to know what my problem is before I can fix that problem. Okay, you're talking in circles, you guys. Would you please explain?
Okay, Cass.
Yes.
You tend to go for the same kind of guy. You pick someone you think you can change and mold into what you want, but you can't.
Uh-oh.
It's not the man. It's you. Wait a minute, I saw this. Isn't that your Susie? I am. And she's right. You have a
You dropped it.
You pick the guys who never have any intention of committing long term. And don't get me wrong, they're nice guys. Peter, Jamie, Jack.
Hold on. What about Scott?